Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Rocket.net, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member to your Rocket.net hosting account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member into your Rocket.net account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and maybe you want to add them in so they can help manage your website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Rocket.net dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Rocket.net account, and this is the home screen. Before we go any further, I want to let you know, if you want to add an admin or a team member into your Rocket.net, you can add them globally, which means they can edit and have full access to all of the websites in your Rocket.net. You can also add them as an admin just to one website. I'm going to go over both options right now. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Rocket.net, and this is the home screen. Now, first, if you want to give global access, that way your admin can manage all the websites you have in Rocket.net. Here on the left side, you're going to click on your name. There's a little blue arrow. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Account Users. Okay, once you do that, you're going to click on Invite User. Just be aware that if you add somebody here, like I said, they're going to have access to all the websites in your Rocket.net. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and enter their first name, last name, and their email. They will need to accept this invitation, so make sure you use the correct email. So let me go ahead and enter this in off. Okay, so once you've entered that in, go ahead and choose their permissions. So you can add them as an account user, billing admin, or user admin, and then click on invite user. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we've invited that person. They do not have access yet because they haven't accepted the invitation. Now, if you want to add them as an admin just to one website, here on the left side, you're going to click on site. Once you click on sites, you're going to see all the websites you're currently running. You can see I just have this one. And to add an admin or a team member just to this one website, off to the right, click on the blue manage button. Okay, once you do that, you'll see all of these little buttons here at the top, and you want to click on overview. Once you've clicked on overview, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, once you get to the bottom, you're going to click here on add site user. It's in blue. Okay, next same thing. You want to enter their first name, last name, and email, and then click on add you. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see invited this person right here. And once again, they do not have access unless they check their email and then accept the invitation. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member to your Rocket.net website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.